everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning one of the most important and visual elements in HTML, the image tag. If you are wondering that how websites show pictures, this video is for you. We will talk about how image tag works, all its important attributes, real examples. So let's get started. Okay, so our today's main and basic question is that what are image elements? And understanding SRC and ALD attributes and how does they work with a real example. So our first question, that what are image elements? So basically the image tag is used to display images on a web page. Image tag is just like this, like img within the angle bracket. This is known as the image tag, and it does not have any closing tag because it's a void element and it doesn't need a closing tag. Okay, so now we will just forward to the ALT and CRC, that what are ALT and what are CRC attributes. So basically SRC, that are known as source. SRC means source, that from where the image is coming, like the source of image. That for example we take image from google.com, so its source will be google.com. Its source will be google.com. And for example, if we are taking an image of pixel.com, so its source will be pixel.com. So here they are the sources of the image, that from where the image is coming. And another one, which is ALT, it stands for alternative text, and it's the most important for accessibility and SEO. So SRE, it tells the browser where the image is located, or the source of image, that from where the image is coming. And this will load a file named car. We will give an example of a car, that wait a minute, that img opening tag, img, and src, the source, and here is the car, like the image of the car dot jpg. So here is the image and here is the tag. So here is the src. Now here this will load a file named car jpg from the same folder, and the alt attribute means that the alternative text, like it's the important for the accessibility and SEO. Like if we give an example, that a car, but which color, which modification, we don't know. So we'll give an example of that also, that img src is equal to comma car dot jpg comma alt. Now we will use alt attributes, and is equal to red sports car, and the tag. So here we have given the car image and also about the information that it's a red sports car. So if the image doesn't load, the alt text will be shown instead. Now we will give a real example by using visualstudio.com or Visual Studio Code. Okay, now we will go at the Visual Studio Code, and here I will copy paste the image file that I have given at the community. Copy and paste. Here I will copy paste it. I don't know why it's not working, so I just simply open the folder and go at the data. We'll go at the websites project. I will here from image element, select folder, and here is the image element file. So here first is the goal, that we have to do this like this. Second is the goal, that I am a dog person, so here is the image, and our index is like this. Our two solutions, like we have to put an heading element h1, that I'm a cat person's heading element, and img src, and copy paste the image from here, and alt, that cat kitten held in a hand, that kitten is held in a hand, like this. So we will give another example rather than a kitten, like we will go here. I will extract these all or delete these all, and we'll give another example rather than the kitten or rather than the dog. So I'll just simply h1 and here, and I will go here and I will do this, that um, I am a I am a computer person. So here's an example of a here, and now I will put like this imgsrc. So anchor element, angle bracket, img src, and is equal to, is equal to, now I will copy the image from google.com, or you can use any the platform you choose. I will here that I am a computer I'm a computer person. So here he will generate an image, and I will take an image. For example, I will take this image, or I will take this image. I will do simply copy image, or I will just simply copy image address. Rather than copy image, I will just simply copy image address and paste it here. So here is the address of that particular image. Now we will apply attribute or alt to that image. That alt was that here space alt is equal to a man using a computer. So this was our alt, and now we'll give another example for h1, and here, sorry, it's all red, I don't know why. We'll give it again, h1, forget the color, like this. And here I will use another, that I'm a cat lover. You can use another also, do you want. Here I will write img src is equal to, and paste it here. I will write it here, that cat lover, cat lover. So here I will choose a picture. I will, for example, I will choose this picture and copy its address, image address, and paste it here. So here is the image of the cat and the man, and I will write alt, alt is equal to, a man holding a cat. So here I have written that a man holding a cat. So these were the two image elements example that first of all we will write a heading element for the heading that for example I am a computer person. I have given the heading. You can write any of you want, and after that I will choose that image element src for the source that from where I will choose the image, and you can go at the platform, for example google.com or pixel.com, and copy the image address and paste it here. And after that you will write that what is its man doing or what the object and the subject is doing. For example, a man using a computer. In the image a man is using a computer, and in the second image that a man is holding a cat. So I have written ELT that a man is holding a cat, and here is the image of that particular man and a cat. So I hope you have learned today's lecture. So that's everything you need to know about the image element in HTML. Remember that use src and alt, use a good quality but optimized image. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Tell me in the comment which HTML element should I cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.